Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the color range command in the menu bar to select a specified color or color subset within an image. If you want to use this command to replace a selection instead of augmenting or subtracting a previously created selection, then make sure that you deselect everything before using this command. To refine an existing selection, you can use the color range command repeatedly to select a subset of colors. For example, you could open the color range dialog box and then select all the highlights in the image. You could then reopen the color range dialog box and select all the yellows in the highlighted areas and then delete them. This effect tends to be extremely subtle, as you would, in this example given, be erasing a part of a color within a color mix. To use a color range, choose Select and then Color Range from the menu bar. Now that will bring up the color range dialog box that we see here. You should see a preview of the selection in the dialog box here in the center, and you can choose one of the two options at the bottom of the dialog box to view either the selection, to preview the selection as you create it, or Image, to preview the image. We'll leave it on Selection. To select a specific color, use the Select drop-down at the top of the dialog box to select the Sample Colors command right here. Now it's already selected, but again you can select that and then choose the different colors if you like, but we'll choose Sampled Colors. Then you click with the eyedropper tool that appears on the color in the image that you wish to select, like that. Now you could also use that drop down to select a range of saturated colors or tonal ranges. To adjust the range of colors, you use the fuzziness slider to increase or decrease the range of colors selected, like that. Now if you wish to adjust the selection, you can add colors by clicking the Add to Sample button, located right over here, and then clicking on the additional colors in the preview or the image that you want to select. You'll see what that does. Now if there are colors that you wish to remove, click the Subtract from Sample button, right to the right of it there, and then click the colors that you wish to remove from the selection in the image or the preview. So again, we could go into the preview if we want, or you can go into the image to make the selection. Now when you've finished making your selections, you simply click the OK button to make your selection. Now if you see a message box informing you that no pixels are more than 50% selected, the selection border will not be visible. You may have selected a color like cyan when the image doesn't contain the fully saturated color. However, you typically still have pixels selected, you just won't be able to visually see them.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.